Chapter 14, Elements, Compounds and Mixtures. Hello students, have you ever thought about what things are really made of? Whether it is the water you drink, the air you breathe, or the salt in your food. Everything is made of matter. In this chapter, we'll learn how matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms, and how these atoms form elements, compounds, and mixtures. Let's begin our journey into the building blocks of everything around us. Script. What is matter made of? Everything, solids, liquids, and gases, is made of atoms. Atoms are so small that we cannot see them without a powerful microscope. These atoms can come together in different ways to form elements, compounds, mixtures. Let's understand what each of these is. Elements. An element is a pure substance made of only one kind of atom. It cannot be broken down into anything simpler. Features of elements: same type of atoms throughout, have special properties, found in nature or made in labs. Examples: iron, Fe, a metal used to make tools. Oxygen, O, gas we breathe. Gold, Au, shiny precious metal. Carbon, C, found in coal and pencils. Carbon, C, found in coal and pencils. Elements are the basic building blocks of all matter. Compounds. A compound is made when two or more elements combine chemically in a fixed ratio. For example, water, H2O, is made of hydrogen and oxygen. Salt, NaCl, is made of sodium and chlorine. Features of compounds. Elements lose their original properties, always have a fixed formula, can only be separated by chemical reactions. So, in compounds, the new substance formed is very different from the elements used. Mixtures. A mixture is made when two or more substances combine physically, not chemically. Features of mixtures: substances keep their own properties, no fixed ratio, can be separated by simple methods like filtering or evaporation. Examples of mixtures: air, a mix of gases; salt water, salt and water mixed; soil, many substances together; lemon juice, water, sugar, lemon. Types of mixtures. Homogeneous mixture, looks the same throughout. Example, sugar in water. Heterogeneous mixture, parts can be seen separately. For example, sand in water. Mixtures are found all around us, in our food, in nature, and even in our body. Differences at a glance. Let's compare these three. Property. What is it made of? Element. One type of atom. Compound. Two or more elements. Mixture. Two or more substances. Let's compare these three. Elements, compound, and mixture. What it's made of? One type of atom. Two or more elements. Two or more substances. Can it be broken? No. Yes, chemically. Yes, easily. Properties. Same as atoms. New properties. Keeps original properties. Examples: oxygen, iron; water, salt; air, salt water. Conclusion. Let's quickly revise. Elements are pure and made of one kind of atom. Compounds are made when elements join chemically. Mixtures are formed by physical mixing and are easy to separate. Compounds are new substances, but mixtures are just blends. Understanding these helps us know that Understanding these helps us know what everything around us is made of, from food and air to clothes and machines.